welcome back. It's Shelby, and today I want to show you just a craft with one of these. This is just a basic wire basket from the Dollar Tree, so it's $1. It's also really squishy and malleable. It's really soft metal, so these are great for crafting, not only because they're inexpensive, but because you can do so many things with them. So for this craft, basically I'm going to be doing a pink theme. So I have some pink just crochet thread, and then I found this, and I don't know if I'm going to use it, but it's like sparkly poster liner. So it's like a paper, but they match. They're the same color, so I thought that would be cute. These are great. I've done a few things with these. I don't know if I've done any videos with them, but just as far as like something to have in your crafting arsenal, I do use these and I like them, so I thought I would share that with you because they are so inexpensive and they're really quite versatile. Honestly, like you can, you know, very easily cut a hole in the bottom if you want to make it into some sort of like lampshade or, you know, something that needs to go through it. They're very bendy, which is what we'll be doing. They're great for making different shapes. You can turn them into vases for dried or fake flowers. You know, obviously they're not watertight. You can put like a hurricane vase in them, as far as like turning them into a candle holder. Lots of different things you can do, and like I said, they're very inexpensive. So we will be doing just basic shape bending today and turning it into some sort of like vase or decorative bowl type thing. I haven't quite decided yet, but if you like the video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up. Let me know what you think down in the comments. I love hearing from you guys. I'll link what I used below if you want to make this craft, but yeah, basically this video is just to share these things and kind of at least one of the ways you can use them in your crafting. So hopefully you find it helpful, and let's get into it. So for this craft, basically, I don't know what I want to do. I think like maybe like a vase or a bowl. So basically I'm just gonna like start smooshing to get my shape. And like I said, these are very bendy. So I'm literally just using my hands and it's bending right away. So kind of the only thing is to make sure you get uniform shape. So kind of rotate your fingers a little bit the whole time so that you're not putting any corners in it and you're getting a nice circle with the wire mesh. So you can see already I've like pretty dramatically changed the shape of this. It's not hard to do. It doesn't like hurt at all. This is a very, very easy, you know, basket to work with just because it's like cheap metal, so it bends really easily. Oh, it would help if I'm on camera. So there we go. Make like a little vase if you want to put like a planter in there, like have a little pot for a plant growing and decorate the outside, or you can make like, you know, different shapes. So that's what we're gonna do. Is I've bent the bottom and I'm gonna bend the top a little bit and see if we can get like a cool vase shape, and then I'm going to be using the thread on there and just kind of decorating it up a little bit. But yeah, this is pretty easy to work with, and like I said, there's a couple different things you can do with this. The wire, as you can see, is really soft and it is really easy to work with. So if you want to make like an easy lampshade, like this is actually kind of a cute lampshade shape. Like with your multi-purpose tool, you can just like cut a little hole in here and attach it. Like that's pretty easy. It looks like a little planter already, one of those little cement ones, but we're gonna keep going until we get like a nice little vase shape. So just kind of evenly crushing it and then moving my fingers along as I go to try and keep the shape as uniform as I can without any kind of holes in it. Here we go. And honestly, that's basically it as far as shaping. Like, how fast was that? Super fast, super easy. That's basically I think the shape that I'm gonna go for. So now I'm gonna decorate with my, what is this? Crochet thread. I just picked it because I like the colors and I liked how thin the thread was, but decorate with my crochet thread. Okay, I've got it set up so you can see it on the camera. This is kind of the shape I ended up with, so it's super cute. And I'm gonna take my thread and basically just give it a little bit of accent color. So I'm just gonna tie it around the base here just with like a typical square knot, just to secure it. Then I am going to wind my string around here and get the different varying colors of pink around here and see if I wanna change it up from there, but I think that'll be pretty, so that's what I'm gonna start with. take the little thread I started with and just tie it here. Another square knot. Cut the ends. So that's the bottom. I'm going to do the same thing for the cinched part at the top. I'm going to tie off this section as well. Just leave the original little string and tie a square knot with the new one. And then cut off the ends. There we go. So far, easy transformation, right? So let's see, I kind of want to use this. So we're going to open this up and kind of see what it looks like, see if we want to add it to the project. Here we go. Ooh, it's even got 3M adhesive on the inside. It's very professional. Kind of want to see if I want it like down at the bottom there. I'm just testing. I don't know. So I kind of like this, like just around the bottom, but I also don't know if that turns it from like cute to like way too like cutesy. So I might refrain because that might be a little bit too sparkly pink. So we might leave it how it is now. But yeah, so this is a basic black and pink vase. This is cute for basically any room, transforming anything. But let me show you what you can do with it for just a few different quick changes for how this can be useful, or something like this. So we are all finished. This is final product, as you saw, just cute pink and black. First thing you can do is just leave it like this. Like, this is kind of cute. You can leave it on, you know, the mantle or wherever. It's just like an interesting piece. And nobody's gonna look at this and be like, oh, that was $1, you know, wastebasket. It doesn't look like it. Like, it's really cool looking. Second thing you can do, fake flowers. Adorable. Look at that. So cute. Even the colors match, kinda. Awesome. You can use it for a real plant, but you're gonna want to use one that's got a bottom. This is my attempt at growing cilantro. It's still alive, but maybe just barely. This pot is actually a little bit large for it. I could push it in, but just for the sake of illustration, I don't want it all the way down there because I need to get it back out again. Pretend this is a gorgeous, beautiful plant and not like my dying little cilantro, but real plant holder, super cute. You can pop a candle in here. Just make sure that the glass extends up a little bit like that. Here we go. And you have a cute little candle holder. Like, this thing actually is, you know, has a lot of different purposes for it. So it's really convenient, it's really easy and inexpensive, and a fun, you know, inexpensive, budget-friendly way to really change up your decor quickly. I think it took all of like 3 minutes to shape it and then like another 2 to wind the ribbon around it. So yeah, hopefully you found this video interesting and maybe got inspired on how you can use some of these little inexpensive wire baskets yourself. Hopefully it was helpful. If you liked the video, let me know by hitting that thumbs up button. Let me know what you think down in the comments. Consider subscribing. I'd love to see you here again soon. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.